the foot, while decorative stitching applies them to the fabric's surface. The cording foot can also be used for gathering. This foot has a specially designed, slotted guide on top. This guide can hold lightweight yarns or cords which simply slip into the guide from the side. You can use 1, 2, or all 3, depending on the effect you want. The bottom of the foot has a groove which allows the cords and dent stitching to pass freely underneath. Attach the foot to the presser foot holder. Place a decorative cord or thin braid into each of the foot's grooves. The cords should be thin enough to move freely through the grooves. Secure the cords at the back of the foot by tying a knot. Select a decorative stitch with the stitch width set wide enough to cover the width of the cords. Experiment with various types of stitches and decorative threads to create unique combinations. The cording foot can also be used to gather fabrics. Place a single strand of heavyweight thread into the groove. Secure the cord by tying a knot in it behind the presser foot. Select a narrow zigzag stitch, then sew, making sure it sews over the cord but that it doesn't sew into the cord. When the stitching is finished, pull the cord which will draw up or gather the fabric. Adjust the fullness of the fabric as desired, then knot the end of the cord to secure.